A vertical spread is a common options strategy. It involves buying and selling options of the same type and expiration, but at different prices. The term spread refers to the simultaneous holding of two or more positions that offset each other to manage risk or cost. You are essentially taking two positions at once. One contract is bought and the other is sold, creating a defined range for your trade. To qualify as a vertical spread, these four conditions must be met. It is how traders try to limit their potential loss on a position. You can use spreads for bullish or bearish outlooks. The difference is whether you are using calls or puts to structure the trade. Spreads define your maximum possible gain and loss upfront. This is why many investors prefer them over buying single, naked options contracts. Because your loss is capped by the second option leg, spreads help prevent the unlimited risk scenarios that can occur with simple short selling. Options trading involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. Please consult with a professional before trading. Subscribe for more.